afternoon. I'm Kishor here, country manager of a Swedish company, OPSIS. So we are into instrumentation. So instruments for all pollution monitoring. Pollution for ambient air quality, then pollution for the stack emission, pollution for the water quality. So we have complete instrumentation, range of instruments which is required for all types of industries. That all instruments we have. In fact, we have instrument here. You can see you can measure pollution at a distance of 2 kilometers. You can get an average of all the pollutions present in the ambient air. Then also we have instrument for pollution monitoring in stack emissions monitoring. Then if you want to measure the water quality, all the pollutions like pH, dissolved oxygen, conductivity, then TSS, all that you can able to measure with a single analyzer. So we are a company. It is our distributor is Nefco Engineers Private Limited. They are in the field for last 40 years, and they have a complete range of instruments for process and pollution monitoring. Yeah, good ma'am, because this is basically a cement seminar, and we have supplied to more than 4,000 customers across India. And here we have a good footfall, and we can able to meet all the customers at one place. So that is the reason we are here.